Welcome back guys, Jack here at C247.com. A very exciting day today, one I've been looking forward to for a little while now. We get the chance to show you the brand new iPhone 13 Pro. Before we get into this unboxing video, don't forget to like and subscribe and to turn on the bell notification below to be notified when we next upload. Now let's take a look inside the box. Again, we have a slimmer box here, just like the iPhone 12 Pro. Apple are working towards their environmental goals. They've removed the plastic wrap, added these tabs, and removed the UK 3-pin charger. We're greeted first with the phone. The colour we have here is graphite. You can see the triple camera on the back is protruding quite a lot with the metal finish around the edge. You may have noticed it has a new film on the front. This is new to the iPhone 13 Pro. Here we have your quick start guide and any warranty information. And of course, your USB-C charging cable. That's all what's inside the box. Let's move on to the review. So we've taken a look inside the box. Now it's time to take a look at the exterior of the phone. First impressions, it looks fantastic. We'll peel off the front of the screen for you here. Lovely. Let's take a look at the 13 Pro from the outside. As you can see, it's housed in a metal casing with the lovely triple camera there on the outside and the display itself. This year's 13 Pro comes with the same triple camera as last year, only with a few small differences. Of course, you have your telephoto lens, your wide angle lens, and your ultra wide angle lens. This year, however, it comes with a new cinematic mode, which I'll show you some clips of now. As you can see, they've done a very good job on introducing that this year. Of course, it comes with the same Dolby Video, 4K is 60 FPS recording ability. Now, in terms of display, it's the same 6.1-inch Super Retina 8 XDR display as last year. However, this year it comes with a new ProMotion feature, which gives an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. But what does that mean? It simply means that when you're scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media, or playing your favorite games, or watching videos on YouTube, it'll be a much smoother experience. So what else has changed from last year's 12 Pro? This phone has a little bit more depth by 0.2 millimeters. It also weighs a little more by 16 grams, so watch out for that one. It comes with a new A15 Bionic chip. It has a new CPU and a new GPU, allowing for high refresh rates on your favorite games, which will of course make use of the new adaptive refresh rate. On top of that, it comes with a new size of storage. You can now get this phone with 1 terabyte, more than enough for all the videos, apps and photos you'd ever need in a lifetime. It also has a slightly bigger battery, allowing for a couple of extra hours playback across audio and video. Outside of this, not much has changed since the 12 Pro last year, which for many of us would come as a big disappointment. However, it does come with the best features of the 12 Pro last year, including the Face ID, the 5G capabilities, your ceramic coating, your water resistance, your fast charging, and many other features. If you want our honest opinion, the phone is fantastic. It looks and feels incredible in your hand, it feels premium, and it possibly is worth the money. However, if you do have a 12 Pro, it's definitely not worth the upgrade. It's so similar to that model that it's not worth spending the additional money. However, if you have an 11 Pro or an older model, this would definitely be the pick of the bunch for us. So the iPhone 13 Pro does come in 4 colours. You have the graphite that we've got here. You can get Sierra Blue, Silver and Gold. It starts from £949, which is the 128GB variant, all the way up to £1,449 for the 1TB version, which is an outstanding amount of money for a phone. That's a wrap on this unboxing video. As always, thank you so very much for watching. This has been Jack at C247. As always, remember to comment down below on the model you'd like to see next. See you then.